Me are the king.
People always like, your hair looks so nice, bro. Like, I mean, check it out, man. I just got a fresh cut, a couple weeks ago, and I think it look good still, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck it. Like, I got that hair in the bun. Man's looking like, a Gialis, you know what I mean? Yeah, but anyways, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, K Factor, and I'm here to tell you guys a little bit about my hair journey and how my hair journey started. For me, it was basically almost like a natural process. Like, I would always twist my hair, and one day, like, I just got bored at work, and I just started twisting everything, and like, it looked a little kind of like it looked a little bit rough when I did it, you know what I mean? Because like I was just going crazy with it. Like I was so bored, I just started twisting it and twisting it. But after that, like I looked in the mirror and I was like, damn, like the hair looks a little bit nice still, you know what I mean? Like maybe I should, let it grow out a little bit longer and kind of like see how it is. But like I ended up like asking, someone to help me do it, like put some cream on it and make it look a little bit more fresh. I did that. And the moral of the story is, girls like when your hair is twisted. The hair started to grow more and more, and like, people walk up to me and give me compliments, and they tell me how much they liked how the hair looked. And even people that knew me, like, would tell me like, yo, like, this new hairstyle that you have, it really suits you, right? So like, I'm like, okay, like, everybody likes this, a lot of girls complimenting it. I'm gonna just keep letting it grow. I didn't know to what extent I wanted it to grow too, but I knew that I wanted it to get a little bit longer than what it was back then. So fast forward a year into the hair growth journey. After like a lot of more research, a lot of finding out a lot of knowledge about what hair really is to you and the impact of having long hair or locks. And the spiritual consequences, like that you can also gain from hair. Hair is really important. Hair is your antenna, you know what I mean? It connects you to a lot of spiritual vibrations and frequencies that a lot of people don't really talk about or are not aware of. But me, as a spiritually conscious person, I just had to dig deeper into that kind of stuff. And yeah, it's been great having locks. It started off as twists, obviously just doing that twist, but over time, as I let it grow further, it just automatically started turning to locks. And like I just kept with that energy. I kept with that look, and like now I can put it in the bun. It looks more sleek. It looks come closer to the camera a little bit. I hope the focus is good there. It looks really nice. It's a good look, for me too. And I just love it. You know what I mean? So before this hair growth journey, I used to use a lot of chemicals in my hair, and it was very detrimental to my hair quality. It used to shed a lot. My hair wouldn't like grow properly. It would change color, because of the harshness of the chemicals, using like relaxers and stuff like that. Chemicals were very, very bad for my hair, and I just wanted to change the routine because like someone told me or someone put me in the route of like just using all natural products, and I just started going towards that. I started gravitating towards more natural products, and like I started using products like Sheer Moisture and like those kinds of stuff on my hair, and I could tell you the difference was phenomenal. And even right now, like the rate at which my hair grows, still using those products till today, it's way more than I could have gotten from using chemicals in my hair, or like not using anything at all, like what I mean. Like the more I got into the natural journey, I started caring for other parts of my body as well, and I just basically switched to all natural products, using shea butter, using black soap. It just became a more conscious journey. Like I guess you can also symbolically put it as the hair is the crown of your head. And like I just worked my way down, and like I started using more natural face lotions. Basically, I started using natural everything down to my feet, and like I feel more healthy. I feel more. I feel great. I feel better in general. Like chemicals are obviously, I'm not even gonna like front, like obviously bad for you in general, your health. Like you might think putting chemicals just on your hair might not affect your general body health, but it does. Because whatever you put on your body, like even your skin, it absorbs it right into your blood, and like stuff like that. You really sit down and think about it. you don't want to do that to yourself, because it also, I mean, if you're a spiritual person as well, like, you know, that's why you see a lot of spiritual people switch to natural products, because these chemicals affect your chemical balance in your body and your body composition. So basically, natural is so good that I feel good, I look good too. You know what it is, man. Yeah. So like, I'm not planning on, like, you know, switching up that routine and going back to a chemically based product. You know what I mean? I want to stay natural for the rest of my life, because when you see the benefits of, you know, this, you know, process, you really don't want to decline from that. You really don't want to, like, you know, get off the wagon, like, you know, because it's all like uphill from there, you know. But yeah, that's my hair journey. You know, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna be posting a part 2 most likely of, you know, my hair care routine, because I know a lot of you might ask questions. A lot of you want your hair to look like this. A lot of you want to look fresh. A lot of you want to put, you know, your hair in a bun like this. A lot of you are looking to make your hair grow longer. Both, you know, guys and girls. You know, you're looking to make your hair longer. So I'm gonna be talking a little bit about those, you know, things you could do to make your hair, you know, grow and stuff like that too. So thank you guys for tuning in. More videos coming soon. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe to these videos. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, leave them on the comment section, and I'm going to try my best to answer as much as I can. I think I'm going to pull this out of the bun just for you to kind of see